It's a beautiful morning. Driving along the South Fork of the Boise River in Idaho. Just a beautiful day. It's about 10:30 a.m. and we're on the road heading towards Boise and then on to Oregon. Just a beautiful area. Last night we saw a couple of antelopes right by the campground, and we had a nice dinner. Talked a little bit about stories, the fire department, and that type of thing. And went to bed, had a great night's rest. So back on the road, or on the dirt road,